हाँ ये कर लो, पहले बड़े लोग हैं, पहले ऐसे करते होंगे.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So it's been months since I have talked to a camera. So some of my loyal viewers asked me that why I'm not uploading any videos, have I stopped YouTube? So don't worry, I have not stopped YouTube. This channel was not created to stop in such a way. So the main thing why I was not uploading videos was because, for those of who don't know, I am a student of Central University of Rajasthan, and our college was locked around at the same time when all other colleges in India was locked due to the coronavirus. Since that day we are having online class of methods, but now it's high time that the college officials decide to call back us. These many months we waited for official statement of the college reopening, but till date we didn't receive anything. Many universities, state colleges, private colleges, coaching centers, and after all even schools are open till now. I don't understand why central government's one of the most prestigious university have not decided to call back us. Really feel so sad to see that gyms, shopping malls, theaters, everything is open, but the most important education sector for us is still closed. I'd like to tell a funny story now. So for those who don't know, my father is a principal here at Rajasthan, a private school. Here students are coming from the first class to 12th class at a full basis according to the government's notice. So other day a 4th class child asked me, भैया आपके कॉलेज तो खुल नहीं रहे, आप यहाँ पर एडमिशन ले लो. So even the 4th class child understood that our colleges are not going to open. See, the one thing which bothers me the most is that most of the students, 90% of the students in our college are double vaccinated. If we are not able to go back to university even after having double vaccination, I really don't understand what this drive was actually about. See, students from first class are coming to school. Generally we are more immune compared to small children, but now our college did not open till now. When asked for the reason, the college official said that the risk of getting virus spread here is more, so that's why we took vaccination now. I know depending everything on vaccination is not correct, but still, now seeing my ranting, some might be thinking that I am a very bright student, I want to go to college and study so eagerly, that's why I am making a video and all. Nah, I was a very normal student in college also. I had back papers. See, the only semester I studied there was first semester. That too I joined late because of my counseling process and all. Even when I used to get my back papers, I genuinely used to feel happy because that was actually my marks for which I studied. But now from second semester to till 5th semester, now I am in 5th semester, I really don't believe that I am in 5th semester till now. I don't really know how these many years have passed on. But now I'm in 5th semester, and till date my every year GPA is 7, 6.5. Must fadu. So even after seeing such good GPA, I'm really not happy because that's not what I've studied and that's not the marks I must get. So it really feels disappointing in some way that this online system of education is not right at all, at least for such higher level of studies. For small children actually it was pretty much okay, but for professional courses like us it was really not so helpful. Now everyone will get good marks in their certificate, but actually that's not so useful according to my view. And even some of the major companies gave a statement in their interviews that the class of 2020 won't be accepted in their company. So that's a really shocking statement, because these many years the students have achieved a lot, worked a lot, but because of that 1 year of corona, most of the students could not make it to the final exams. And even though they could make, most of the companies did not want to accept them because of such a sudden change in everything. So I really don't feel so secure about my marks, and I don't know what will happen in the future with our batch of coming batches. We got a really title that Corona batch. We are the Corona batch, so future is at a stake. See, college is not only about studies and all. College has made lot of things to teach us. हर एक बच्चा का सपना होता है कि कॉलेज लाइफ एंजॉय करना है, पढ़ना है, साथ में घूमना है दोस्तों के साथ. See, personally I had those dreams. I always used to think that I must get a good college life, good friends, and Sivraj was finally the place where I was happy, forgetting everything, happy with my friends, good classmates, good teachers, good facilities. I was really happy. Coming from a strict school, always staying in one place, studying continuously for hours, the place where I was finally happy was Sivraj, and Sivraj gave me many things to dream about. But I was there only for 6 months, 5 months exactly to be said. But even those 5 months was like 5 years for us. Our friendship was also really bonding, but all came to a sudden break when this corona attacked, or came to our country. So thinking all those things now make me really sad that I've already missed four semesters there. 4 semester means 2 years academically. So these 2 years has really been a drawback. Now even if we think to enjoy, it's not possible because now we are in the going to MSc stage. So at least MSc we must work hard so that we can get a stability in our career also. And most of the friends have also gone to their respective departments. So now it's not a time to enjoy and all, but still I think that if we get to stay together in college, at least we can see new faces and all. See, I am a person that is always positive, that kuch bhi ho jaye, I will be positive only. Of course I have the fear of things losing and all, but still I be positive. So even after being such positive boy, I got depressed a lot of times ki yaar, what am I doing with my life? Daily seeing the same four walls, daily seeing the few faces like father, mother, few teachers and all. I've become so depressed that I don't even know. Sometimes I feel like, what am I doing in this life? Some people are really enjoying their life, some people are doing their jobs. So seeing such things make me feel that, am I missing something like that? So I really wish that college really opens soon. See, I have not come prepared to talk and also I don't know what I'm speaking, so it's all coming with the flow only. See, I'm not saying that I'm not happy here. I am very much happy. I'm getting to live my happiest life now also with my parents. Generally, I don't get too much time to stay with my parents, but still deep down inside, it feels like we must meet our friends, go to college, have a good life there also. See, I really don't believe that I've completed 5 semesters already in my college. Remaining 5 semesters are there. So now also if the college don't decide to call upon us, I don't really understand when are we going to enjoy the college life or be in a college or go to a library and sit together, study for exams, make notes, do assignments. These all things are really missing out. Nowadays even our classes are not going on so perfectly. Some teacher come at this time, some teachers go at that time. Some suddenly they give exam notice, we have to write exams. So everything which was on a schedule perfectly all got to collapsed. The most one thing which hurts me is really who are very close friends in university, even they don't have nothing to talk about together, means because क्या ही शेयर करे यार, हर रोज सेम कहानी, सेम उठो पियो खाओ जियो, बस that's the regular type of life going with everyone. So even we are not able to contact each other like we used to do in the early days. मिलजुल के रहना, साथ में घूमना, साथ में मिल के पढ़ना, these things everything we are not able to do. Seeing us sit like this, even our parents are worried of क्या करे, it means what he or she will be doing in the future. See, each parent has their own tension about their students, and because of this thing going on now, their tension have also more increased. See, personal speaking about me, my father and mother both are working here at a school and my sister is living at Hyderabad. So after they all go for their respective places, I am alone at my home, and the only thing which accompanies me is my phone, this phone. So I really like to make videos and do things, but this is the major thing which was affecting my brain these days, that I was not even able to do the things which I used to love the most. Editing, I like editing, and I do love making videos. But these things affected me in such a way that one part of my brain was thinking always this only. I was happy, of course happy with my family and my daily life, but somewhere it was affecting that I am going in a simple circle daily. So just thought of addressing many people, means I have 314 subscribers. I think in that 314 at least 10 to 20 people asked me why I'm not making any videos and all. So this was the major reason why I was not doing anything. See, it's not like we have not tried to contact anybody, officials or anybody. Even my father, he has sent many mails to UGC board and even grievance complaints and all, but still now we are not able to catch up on that. So I decided to do something on my behalf, and I believe that all students are going through the same phase only. Most of them, to divert their mind, they use mobile, some play gaming, some go for trips, some stay with their family and make cooking videos and all. So these all there, each and everyone are happy. Each and everyone are happy with their lives, with what they are going on, but deep inside everyone has a feeling to come to college and explore that way of the life also. I have asked most of my friends and everybody say that this thing only, once notice come, they will be the first to reach the college. Yeah, that's the same thing with me also. We are all officially waiting for a notice only. Let's see. I don't know, maybe next day, after this video goes published, next day only the college might call upon us, but still I thought of doing my part as a student. So yeah, that's it for today. See, ये शेयर करने से भी कोई मतलब नहीं है क्योंकि कोई ऑफिशियल तो देखने वाला नहीं है, बट स्टिल शेयर दिस वीडियो so that at least all know that we all are going through the same phase only. Chalo, until we meet next time, bye. And yeah, regular types of videos are also coming not recently, a few months ago I went to many places with my schoolmates, so those type of videos will also be coming soon. I have to edit those videos now. I am also getting back on track. So yeah, ta-ta. It's also really cold here, that's why nowadays not feeling to get up from the bed, but still I will be working. Tata, bye.